Maria's English Journey. Maria lived in a small town. She wanted to speak English well. She decided to learn by herself. Here is her story. Step 1. Daily practice. Maria woke up 30 minutes early every day. She talked to herself in English in front of the mirror. At first it felt strange, but soon it became fun. Step 2. Learning new words. Maria carried a small notebook. Every day she wrote 5 new English words. She used these words in sentences. By the end of the week, she knew many new words. Step 3. Watching English movies. In the evenings, Maria watched English movies and TV shows. She started with cartoons and then watched dramas. She listened to English songs and sang along. Step 4. Speaking with partners. Maria found language partners online. She had video calls with them and practiced speaking English. She listened to their pronunciation and tried to copy them. Step 5. Using apps and online groups. Maria used apps like Duolingo and Babbel every day. She joined online forums and social media groups for English learners. She asked questions and joined discussions. Setting goals and being patient. Maria set small goals. She aimed to talk in English for 5 minutes by the end of the month. She reminded herself that learning takes time. When she felt frustrated, she took a deep breath and kept going. After a few months, Maria could speak English fluently. She traveled to new countries and made many friends. Her story inspired others in her town to learn English too. Maria showed that with dedication, consistent practice, and the right resources, anyone can achieve their goals, even when learning a new language by themselves.